Bring project-based learning to your engineering lab with the new Arduino Engineering Kit Rev 2. Challenge students and help them develop mechatronics engineering skills. The kit provides extensive learning outcomes, giving students a strong understanding of robotic engineering concepts through exciting and explorative projects that create a hands-on learning environment. Students are able to associate what they learn through real-world applications. They are encouraged to think critically and improve their depth of knowledge by being introduced to theoretical concepts through experimentation. You can use this versatile kit as the core module of a new engineering mechatronics class, or freely adapt the content to your own ideas and experiments while working with implementing MATLAB and Simulink. The Arduino Engineering Kit Rev 2 enables educators to tailor the kit to the students' needs and their own curriculum. For example, it can be used as part of laboratories and final projects. The kit provides everything you need for a full, in-depth learning experience, including online learning material with lessons and step-by-step instructions for students to work in small groups or for facilitating remote learning. At the same time, students can also buy their own kit and use it to experiment at home for extended learning. Improve your students' cognitive skills by exploring fundamental robotics concepts such as control systems, MATLAB and Simulink programming, and core aspects of mechatronics in a hands-on approach. It is the ideal mechatronics toolbox for high school and college students. For more information, click on the link below.